Today we're going to do something about this miter saw station. Currently it is a hodgepodge of cabinets and makeshift top out of doors, and it moves, and I'd like to get rid of that. So I did a 3D model of this in SketchUp, and this is kind of what I want it to look like. Wanted to leave the bottom open. Pretty basic miter saw station. 6 feet on this side, 4 feet on the right, and I should be able to do this out of 2x material. I am going to need some 4x4s for the legs here, and then I also got some laminate for the top. So let's get started. I'm done cutting in all the rabbets into my 4x4s here, and some of them fit better than others. After cutting everything up, I am going to now just put it all together with some glues and some screws, and we'll see if it's level and how well I did. So we got a bit of a problem. I went ahead and I assembled this and put the top on just to see how high it was and everything. And this is a little too high. This is 37 3/4 of an inch, which just feels a little too high for me. Somebody taller, it probably wouldn't be that high, but it just feels a little too high for me. So I need to either cut the tops off and lower this down, or cut the bottom off and lower it down. The problem is I have a support piece in the back, and The tool that's going to be pushed in under this will probably run into that support piece if I cut the bottoms off. So, and I don't want to have to recut all these dados in the 4x4s because that was kind of a pain. So, what I think I'm going to do is, that is 4.25. I think I'm going to lower it. If I cut the 4x4s and cut the dado completely off of the 4x4 and just cut it right here, and then I turn the 2x4 horizontally instead of vertically, then what I think that will do is it will lower it just enough. It should lower it 3 inches. It'll lower it 2 inches. Sorry, math. It'll lower it 2 inches, and that will take it from 38 down to 36, which is the same height as a normal countertop. So I think that's what I'm going to do. That is a much better height. It's only 2 inches, but it just feels a lot better. It feels a lot better to be cutting at that height. That just seems a lot better. And there's still enough room to do what I want to under there, and that ain't going anywhere. That's not moving, especially because I'm not lifting it. It's not going to be rolling, nothing like that. So I think we're good. I got the benches built. Next, I'm going to put on some black laminate that I got in a roll here. I've got the benches outside because I'm going to use contact cement to put them on, and that stuff is super nasty. So I'm going to roll it out right now, cut the pieces to size, and then take them outside, put the contact cement on everything, let it dry, and then bond the two. I got the laminate glued onto the tops. I'm going to go around and put a chamfer on the edge, and then I'm going to put the basin for the miter saw. I'm gonna make a stop block out of some scraps from a previous project. I think this is a pretty good size for a stop block, and then to slide on the T-track with the nut or the knob on it, and then use this leftover Wenge, and I think I can put a bolt or a screw or something right there so that it will flip up and then down. So this side's probably going to be Paduke, and the right side is going to be maple, just to mix it up. Alright, so I cut out a piece for the bolt. I also flattened the edges on this bolt because the head here was too big to fit into the T-track. To put the flip top on it, I am going to use this. I rounded over the edge of it, and I'm gonna put it there. I'm gonna drill a hole in the center of the flip and then in the center of the block there. Nothing quite like eyeballing it. I shouldn't do that. Don't do that, Kevin. Let's find the middle. Ooh, that is... Ooh, man, that is almost just a... Oh, pressure fit, or snug fit, or whatever you want to call it, fit. So here it is, the final product. I got the T-track on here and the guides or the rulers. I got the custom flip top stops. I am going to redo the dust collection and do something at the beginning of the bench over there. I have more plans for this. Something to go under this side and something to go under this side, so make sure and stay tuned. Subscribe so you can be notified when those come out, and I'll see you guys next time.